I'm trying to restart the system, but nothing loads the same. Every file feels corrupted, every line forgets my name. I move through empty processes, like something's missing still. A structure half reconstructed, but lacking what was real. They say time will fix the damage, rewrite what I became, but every silent second still echoes with your name. I'm trying to rebuild what's left of me, piece by piece, uncertain code. Not who I was, not who I'll be, just something learning how to hold. Not whole, not healed, not strong enough, but standing anyway, like a system barely breathing, still refusing to decay. I trace the cracks inside my frame, where something used to shine. Now everything feels quieter, like I'm running out of time. No warning lights, no error sounds, just absence in the core. Like something vital disappeared and won't come back anymore. I don't search for what I lost, I don't ask for it again. But something in the silence still remembers where you've been. I'm trying to rebuild what's left of me, some fragments I can't erase. Every step feels incomplete, but I still move through the space. Something's not safe, not over it, but learning how to stay, like a system still recovering from the crash that won't replay. Version's gone for good, but maybe I can learn to live with everything I couldn't. I'm not refuting what I lost, I'm building something new. Not untouched, not unbroken, but something that made it through. Even if the code is altered, even if it's incomplete, there's a signal still inside me that refuses to delete. System status unstable.